Welcome to our channel. If you're having trouble with Zocdoc not working or experiencing errors when trying to book an appointment, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue. Step 1. Open your device settings and navigate to Apps or Application Manager. Find the Zocdoc app and tap on it to access app settings. Step 2. Select Storage or Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing booking errors. Clear data only if necessary. Step 3. Force close the Zocdoc app from your device settings, then swipe it away from recent apps to ensure it's completely shut down before restarting. Step 4. Check your internet connection by testing other apps or websites. Zocdoc requires a stable connection to search for doctors and book appointments. Step 5. Visit your app store and search for Zocdoc. Install any available updates to ensure you have the latest version with bug fixes and improvements. Step 6. If booking errors occur, try using the Zocdoc website instead of the app. Open your browser, go to Zocdoc.com, and attempt to book your appointment there. Step 7. Verify that the doctor you're trying to book has available appointments. Some providers may have limited availability or may have temporarily closed their schedule. If the app still doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall it from your app store, sign back in, and try booking again. Contact Zocdoc customer support if problems persist. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.